When choosing a rugged smartwatch, the Garmin Tactix 8 and the Amazfit T-Rex 3 are two prominent options. Both are designed for outdoor enthusiasts and offer a range of features to enhance your adventures. So, in today's comparison, we'll help you understand their differences and similarities, guiding you to the best choice for your needs. The Garmin Tactix 8 boasts a robust design with premium materials. It features a titanium or stainless steel bezel, providing durability and a sleek appearance. The watch is built to military standards, ensuring it can withstand harsh environments. Its display is protected by sapphire crystal, offering scratch resistance and clarity. In contrast, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 also emphasizes ruggedness. It has a 48.5mm case made of a polymer middle frame with a stainless steel bezel. The 1.5-inch AMOLED display offers 2000 nits of brightness, ensuring readability even under bright sunlight. The screen is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass, providing decent protection against scratches. The T-Rex 3 is designed to operate in extreme temperatures, from 158 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius, and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for diving and other water activities. The Garmin Tactix 8 has a 1.4-inch memory and pixel display with a 280x280 resolution. While it is not as bright and colorful as an AMOLED display, it is easy to read in sunlight and saves battery life. The screen is protected by sapphire crystal, making it very durable. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 features a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a 480x480 resolution. The screen is very bright, 2000 nits, and colorful, making it easy to see even in bright sunlight. However, AMOLED screens use more battery than MIP displays. If you want a brighter, more colorful display, the T-Rex 3 is the better choice. If you prefer battery efficiency and durability, the Tactix 8 is better. Battery performance is very important for outdoor activities. The Tactix 8 has a great battery life. It can last up to 28 days when used as a regular smartwatch. If you use it in GPS mode, it can last up to 89 hours. This depends on the settings and how you use it. The T-Rex 3 also has a strong battery life. It can last up to 27 days with normal use. If you need to use GPS for a long time, it can last up to 180 hours when using a power-saving mode. This means you can trust both watches to last a long time during your outdoor adventures without having to recharge them often. Navigation capabilities are essential for adventurers. The Tactix 8 supports multi-GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, for accurate tracking in challenging environments. It offers preloaded topographic maps, sky maps, and supports turn-by-turn navigation. The watch also includes features like Climb Pro for ascent planning and a barometric altimeter for elevation data. The T-Rex 3 is equipped with dual-band GPS and supports 6 satellite positioning systems, ensuring quick and accurate location tracking. Users can download free offline maps, including topographical and ski resort maps, directly to the watch. The device provides turn-by-turn navigation and real-time route guidance, which is beneficial for hikers and trail runners. Both watches offer comprehensive health and fitness tracking. The Tactix 8 includes heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, stress tracking, and pulse ox sensing for blood oxygen saturation levels. It offers a wide range of sports modes and training features, such as VO2 max estimation, training load focus, and recovery time advice. The T-Rex 3 offers over 170 built-in sport modes catering to various activities from running to swimming. It includes health monitoring features like heart rate tracking, blood oxygen saturation measurement, and sleep analysis. The watch also introduces the Zepp Coach TM, an AI-generated personal training plan that adapts to the user's fitness level and goals. In terms of smart functionalities, the Tactix 8 offers music storage and playback, allowing users to enjoy their favourite tunes without needing a phone. It supports contactless payments via Garmin Pay and provides smart notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts. The watch is compatible with various apps and widgets from the Garmin Connect IQ store, enabling users to customize their experience. The T-Rex 3 includes a built-in microphone for AI voice control, allowing users to adjust settings and reply to messages using speech-to-text. It supports basic notifications for calls, messages, and apps. While it doesn't offer music streaming services, users can control music playback from their connected smartphone. Durability is a key consideration for outdoor watches. The Tactix 8 is tested to US military standards, MIL STD 810, ensuring it can withstand thermal, shock, and water exposure. Its robust construction makes it suitable for tactical missions and extreme adventures. The T-Rex 3 is also built to endure tough conditions. It operates in extreme temperatures and offers 10 ATM water resistance, making it suitable for activities like swimming and diving up to 100 meters. The watch's rugged design ensures it can handle the rigors of outdoor adventures. Price is a significant differentiator between the two watches. The Garmin Tactix 8 is positioned in the premium segment starting from $1,299, reflecting its advanced features and build quality. In contrast, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is priced at $279.99, making it a more budget-friendly option for those seeking a rugged smartwatch with comprehensive features. If you want the best of the best, the Garmin Tactix 8 is the clear winner. It has more advanced GPS navigation, better fitness tracking, military-grade durability, and premium materials. However, it is very expensive, so it's only worth it if you need all these features and can justify the cost. On the other hand, if you want a rugged smartwatch with solid features at a much lower price, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is the better deal. It offers great GPS tracking, long battery life, and an AMOLED display, making it a fantastic choice for most users who need a tough watch without spending a fortune. If I had to choose, I'd go with the Amazfit T-Rex 3 for most people because it offers amazing value for the price. But if you're a professional athlete, military personnel, or someone who needs advanced tactical features, I'd say the Garmin Tactix 8 is definitely worth the investment. So that was all about the Garmin Tactix 8 versus Amazfit T-Rex 3. Thanks for watching. Also, let us know in the comment which one will you buy, the Garmin Tactix 8 or the Amazfit T-Rex 3.